Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Me and my sister are going to tell about Sankranthi. Sankranthi is one of the ancient Hindu festivals. The sun enters Capricorn and the days become long and the nights become short. It is the beginning of summer. On this day, people wear new clothes and distribute sweets to their neighbors and fly kites. Even we fly kites with my brothers. They put rangolis and make their buildings and houses beautiful, and this festival is all celebrated all over India. Now let me show you some rangolis. Let me wear my specs first. This is called rangoli, and see my small fountain. And this is a lotus pot. I'll show you from nearby. That's a fish pot and there's a swamp pot. Do you like the lotuses in this too? See the kite that I'll show you my tent that I'm going to play in today. See? And I'm going to fly a kite. I'm going to fly this kite. And this is my cycle. Bye bye. Happy Sankranthi to you all.